Hi, my name is Hakim and I'm the co-founder at ServiceBack.com. We are Singapore's first and only home and reno services platform with Cashback. So customers can come to our platform and engage from a wide variety of 5-star home and reno services such as painting, flooring, moving, aircon servicing, installation, and so much more. And the best part is that for every single transaction that you book, you get cashback of up to 10%, capped at $100, that you can use to offset your next purchase on the platform. So why does ServiceBack give cashback to its users? Basically, in the industry right now, what happens is whenever you're searching for a service provider, a vendor has to bid to be matched to you as the customer. And this matching process can account for up to 30 to 40% of the transaction fee itself. And say for example, out of a $120 aircon servicing job, a good $30 to $40 is actually footed by you, the customer, to pay for this matching process. So what we're doing at ServiceBack is instead of paying these paid platforms, we're giving this budget to you to offset the actual purchase itself. And that's why we're giving cashback. We're making things more sustainable here. So why should you follow us on this YouTube channel? Very simply, we'll be talking about quite a few interesting topics. We'll be talking about the materials involved. We'll be talking about all the different kinds of solutions. We'll be discussing the pros and cons, and even dispel the myths and most pressing concerns that you have towards your renovation and all the different processes in place. So thank you, relax, sit back and enjoy the channel.